In this video, we will show you a quick tutorial on creating and customizing the text columns inside Google Docs. Google Docs has only one column by default, but you can create extra text columns if you want. We will show you how. Open Google Docs in your preferred browser and open a document to edit. Now select and highlight the text on the Google Docs page to convert it into columns. On the Google Docs ribbon, click the Format tab. Click on Columns. Select the number of columns you want the text split into. The default options available are 1, 2, or 3 columns. The maximum number of columns you can introduce is 3. Lastly, here's how to change the spacing between the columns. In addition, you can decide to include a line to show the boundary between columns. Select the columns in the Google Docs you want to change. On the Google Docs ribbon, click the Format tab. Click on Columns. Click on More Options. Enter your preferred spacing option in the Column Options dialog box. Tick the box beside the line between columns option. Click on Apply. That's it! We hope this video helped you. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, and like and share the video if this helped you.